breaking the security seal and lifting the lid, you'll find best practice information, clearly printed in multiple languages. Following the instructions, lift the protective sheet to reveal the gasket, securely packaged beneath. Onto the main kit inside, you'll find a quality approval slip, confirming the components have been inspected and approved at the factory. Every Motaquip timing chain kit includes pre-assembly lubricant. The guides are manufactured to meet or exceed OE specifications using PA66 or PA46 nylon and glass fiber composite. Each full kit includes all necessary gaskets and seals, so you're ready to close up the engine after installation. Every chain features Oxycoat pins, a premium surface treatment designed for long-term performance. To maximize coverage, some kits include multiple crank sprockets. Be sure to select the correct design for your engine. Where applicable, an oil feed pipe, essential to maintaining chain lubrication, is included. The metal guide uses a PA66 nylon slipper to protect the timing chain during operation. All bolts are forged and heat-treated, delivering maximum strength for best performance. Each component in the kit is individually marked for traceability, so you can be confident you're installing genuine Motaquip parts. Boxed separately for extra protection, the hydraulic tensioner undergoes a full fluid test at the end of assembly for maximum reliability. Lastly, with our gaskets, please remember that they must be fitted dry. With over 300 part numbers, Motaquip timing chain kits are now available from official distributors in your area.